Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to make an image move in Canva, and it will be a step by step breakdown for you guys, and it will be also beginner friendly video. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. So as you can see, we already landed in Canva platform, and Canva is a totally free platform where you can create your graphics over that place. So let's go and let's create an account on Canva, so you will get understand how to create an Canva account and why Canva will be used for further work. So here you can see what will you design today. With Canva you can design, generate and work on anything. Like here you can see we have some features like we can design our social media posts, then docs. Also we are allowed to create presentation, then we can make sheets, we can edit our photo. Also if you don't know anything about HTML, CSS and WordPress, Shopify, then also you are allowed to create website by using Canva. Then you can edit your videos for YouTube, social media and many more. So here you can see, and a main thing is they will design you with the code of AI, so you are able to take help from artificial intelligence, and they provided free version for one person. You can purchase the premium one if you need it, but with the free one you can do whatever you want. So however, if you want to create an account, you just need to click on sign up. Once you click over here, they will give you the option to create an account by email or through Google and Facebook. So it's totally up to you how you want to create your account. So once you're done creation your account, then you will get this interface similar like this one, and here we just need to do our work in that platform. So I'm going to take an image or Instagram post template, then I will click on create blank. So our main goal is to how we can move an image in Canva. So there is a like couple of options we have to move an image in Canva, so we are going to try it one by one. So let's go find out some image. I already uploaded some of them, so here you can see this image will be good for our users. So I'm going to drag it down over here, and here you can see this is totally static, but we want something that will be moved around the template. So how we can do it? So for that reason you just need to be click on animate. Once you click over here animate, here you can see we have options like features. If you select it, you can see that we are allowed to edit it. You can reduce the speed and intensity. Now you can see it how it really works. So here we have couple of other options. You can see this one, then you can explore it one by one, or you can use these animation options also. Here you can check this out both. Then one exit, let's click on exit. So here you can see. Also let's talk about this add-on effect. Add-on effect means right now you can see that our image is like doing animate only one type, but when we will select animation from add-on effect, it means it will be like it will be infinite animation. Let's select one of them, and here you can see this like we have four options wiggle. So let's go and click over here share, and click on this one, and let's find out some of couple of options we have where we can view our design. So I'm going to run this one. So let's click on this one, and you can see that it is an infinite loop. Throughout the video it will be animated. So I'm going to some of them so you can understand more correct way. So remove animation, and let's play it again. Here you can see it is an infinite animation and it is doing. So there is some couple of option or like hesitation works on our mind, that is I want a smooth animations where it will look more engaging. So I'm going to remove the background, and now I am going to add animation over that place. I will place it here, and I'm going to add animation. I will remove all of the animation from that options. Remove animation, then again remove it. Now we don't have animations over here. So here I will find out which one will be good for my design, and now I'm going to add some butterfly. and it looks nice. So I'm going to place it one by one. I will make it more. Here you can see this looks I hope it will look really nice when I done it. One by one I will place it here, and let's make it in a group. And now I'm going to give an animation. Just click on animation, and here I'm going to use this create an animation, like it is a custom animation option. So I'm going to click it, then click over here, and let's click it here. As you can see, this one, here you can check this out how it looks nice. So it doing, I'm going to increase the speed, or I will make it more smooth, and speed will be 0. It looks nice. So here I'm going to add an animation also in the custom one, or I can add this one. It's really amazing. So here if I add animation, it will be more gorgeous. Like let's add it, and now you can eventually see it looks really amazing right now. I hope this was really interesting for you. Let's find it out and make it smooth. So here you can see it's look that it is really flying. So you need to be use it, and you need to be find out elements which will be really amazing for your design. And here I'm going to add animation also, that will be table, and let's search it, and let's go over here, and I will copy this one and I will paste it here. So this animation will be down from the deep rise. Here you can see, and I'm going to add another option, that will be Bangladesh. Let's search it and find out some of design. So here you can see we have couple of design over here. So I am going to copy one of them to make it more gorgeous. So I think this may be will be good. I am going to place it here, and I will increase the size, and I will place it behind this image. And now you can see it will be look more amazing. So I'm going to place an animation, and the animation will be something like this. Yes, I'm going to decrease the speed. No, it's not looks amazing. So I am going to find out something. Let's reduce the intensity. Here you can see it looks nice. If I play the video, then you can find out the options. So here you can see it looks really amazing, and if you see the butterfly, it's flying throughout the video, and it makes so much amazing about the video. I hope you understand how you can move your image. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.